Hey, in front of me is Motorola Moto G72 and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this Motorola. Begin by opening Google folder and tapping on Calendar app. If you never used it before, click on this little icon at the bottom right corner of it and tap on Got It. Now, in order to pick date of your event, tap on the month above and click on the chosen one. Then you can create your event by tapping over here twice or selecting this plus icon at the bottom right corner and tapping on the event option. Either way, from here you can adjust it however you want to. For example, add a title to it. Now you can pick starting hour, save it by choosing OK, and also ending one. If you don't want to do that, just click on this switcher next to all day to disable this option completely. Then choose your email, tap on one of those options, I will go with family events, and click on Does Not Repeat. Now you can click on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example every year, or even select Custom and adjust it however you wish to. Then tap on Done at the top right corner to save your changes. If you don't want it to repeat after all, just click on the same option and tap on Does Not Repeat instead. Now you can add people, videos, and even add location. If you wish to add your location, you can allow location access by choosing while using the app or only this time. Then type in an address. Click on the correct one and scroll down. Over here you can set up notifications, minutes, hours, or even weeks before your event, add notes, attachments, and even change color. Now choose Save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. You can always edit it by clicking on it, tapping on this pen icon at the top right corner, and making your changes. Then choose Save at the top right corner in order to save them, or this X icon at the top left one in order to discard them. I will go with Discard. In order to get rid of your event completely, just click on it again, tap on those three dots at the top right corner and just delete at the top. Lastly, just tap on delete in this pop-up as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!